How to like a message on WhatsApp. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from App Guide. In today's guide video, I will simply show you how you can like a message on WhatsApp. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first things first, simply make sure you have either downloaded or updated the WhatsApp app to the latest version. And you can do this by heading over to your App Store, in the search box typing in WhatsApp, and if you see an update button there, tap on it in order to update your WhatsApp app to the latest version. And as soon as you've updated WhatsApp, what we will do is we will simply go ahead and then open it. Next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. Let's say I want to like or send a reaction of a like to a certain message on WhatsApp. So first of all, I will simply go ahead and then open up a particular message, and if I want to actually, let's say, react to this particular text over here, and if I want to send a like, now on Messenger you basically have the like button on the emoji section, but without doing that we can also simply send a like to this particular message. In order to do that, long press and hold on it to enable other options, and you'll enable all of these reactions. Now basically the like button means the one which you see on the left hand corner of the screen, which is this thumbs up icon. So tap on it in order to actually send the like reaction. However, if you want to send other reactions, long press on it and then select the ones such as heart. You have the laughing, you have the surprised ones, you have the sad, and you have the fed up ones. So go ahead and simply select any of these over here. But if you want to like it, I would recommend you to simply leave it to the thumbs up one. And this is how you can like a message on WhatsApp. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.